class, and you know about the light. Light is nothing but a form of energy which can transmit from one place to another place. Our concept is one of the properties of the light, refraction. Refraction is nothing but one of the properties of light. There are 5 properties of light. You are very famous about that. One is reflection. Second one is refraction. If you know, you can say no problem. Diffraction. Interference. Polarization. These are the 5 properties. Among these 5 properties, you know about the reflection, which was already given in the 7th class. I also will discuss about the reflection in one example. And what is the definition of reflection? What is the definition of reflection? For example, you say that is a source of light. That is a source of light. This is a plane surface. You say plane surface. This is the normal to the plane surface, and one light ray is incidentally on the
bouncing back of light.
Point on a surface. Incident on the point on the surface. It is coming from air, you say. Then it is sent back to the air.
Bounce.
Next. So this is nothing but reflection. So reflection is nothing but bouncing back of light rays to the same medium. Is a reflection. Then what about the refraction? This is our concept. This is our lesson. Our lesson's title is refraction of light at plane surfaces. Refraction of light at
Plane surfaces.
So I have discussed about the reflection with the help of one medium here. One medium is enough to discuss about the reflection. But areas, if you want to discuss about the refraction, we should go to 2 mediums. One should be mirror and one should be
denser.
This is the interface, you say, which separates the 2 media. This is mirror media. This is denser media. Then light rays are hitting on the interface. So one light ray is hitting on the interface like this. So when it is rarer medium, if it enters to the denser medium, there is a change of its velocity. Due to the change of its velocity, the direction of the light ray is going to change. It is taking diversion. The deviation of the light ray when it entering from one medium to another medium is nothing but refraction due to the change of velocity. As you know, if it is air, it is having some velocity. If it is water, it is having some velocity. Light is having different velocities in the water and air. So when the light ray coming from rarer medium to denser medium, as you know, it bends towards the normal. If there is no different media, then it is the actual path. But here is water medium, so that the light ray bends towards the normal. NN is the normal. NN is the normal drawn to the interface. So the light ray, when travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. It is bending. Slightly it is bending towards the normal. This is one case. And when the light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, what is happening you will see. Then this is the interface. This is the normal drawn to the interface. So you say this is the denser medium, this is the rarer medium. Then one light ray is traveling from denser medium to the rarer medium, and when it hits the interface, actual part of the light, if there is no different medium, this is denser medium, this is rarer medium, this is water, this is air, you say. So actual path is this one if there is no different medium. But when it travels from denser medium to rarer medium, you say air. It is moving away from the normal. It moves away from the
Normal.
when it enters the denser medium to the
Rarer medium.
So these are the two cases. Another case you have to understand, that is no deviation in the light ray. No deviation in the light ray on passing from one medium to the another medium. As usual, this is the interface. This is the normal drawn to the interface at the center point. So, if you pass the light ray along the normal, and it enters from either it may be rarer or denser, rarer to denser or denser to rarer. If you are passing light ray along the normal, it won't deviate. That is the third case you have to remember. So, from our topic now, what we have to discuss means critical angle. Critical angle. Actually, what I want to tell you is mirage. Mirage. Nowadays, our topic is mirage. So, to know about the mirage, first we have to go to the critical angle. The first thing we have to go to the critical angle. As you know about the critical angle, within one sentence you have to say what is critical angle. What is critical angle? For example, if you want to know the configuration of a concept in the physics, first you have to know about within one sentence what is that configuration. For example, heat. What is heat? What is heat?
Energy.
Within one sentence, it is a form of
Energy.
Enough. It is form of
Energy.
light. What is light?
It is a form.
It is also a
Form of energy.
It is also
Form of energy.
like that. Critical angle. What is critical angle? Within one word you have to say. One sentence you can say. You can say within one sentence. Critical angle is nothing but the angle of incidence. What is critical angle?
Angle of incidence.
Critical angle is nothing but the
Angle of incidence.
So that is one sentence. Then what is its angle of incidence? Where is it angle of incidence? Then if you go to the figure and if you go to elaborate that total meaning of critical angle, you have to draw the interface, normal. Then one is denser medium, second one is rarer medium. This is rarer medium, this is
Denser medium.
So what I am saying, critical angle is nothing but angle of incidence. It is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence I am saying. Angle of incidence at which angle of incidence at which you said this is the light ray passing from denser medium to rarer medium. For example, this is angle of incidence. You say there must be an angle of reflection. Okay, now this is the actual path from denser medium to rarer medium, so that it
Moves
moves away from the
normal.
This is angle of incidence, and this is angle of refraction. It may be somewhat more value than the angle of
incidence.
So at one particular angle of incidence, the refracted ray grazes along the interface. At a particular angle of incidence, the refracted ray grazes along the interface. So that is the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence at which the Refracted angle grazes along the interface is nothing but angle of critical angle. Critical angle. One sentence you can say. You have to understand first what is that. So heat is nothing but a form of energy, light is nothing but a form of energy, as well as critical angle is nothing but some angle of incidence at which the light ray grazes the interfaces is nothing but critical angle. Say that is the critical angle. So to understand the mirage, another thing you have to understand, that is total internal reflection. Total internal
Reflection.
So to know about the total internal reflection, so we have to go to the diagram once again. So this is the interface, this is the normal drawn to the interface. Total internal reflection is what? Total internal reflection is what? Within one sentence you can say it is nothing but a phenomenon. It is a phenomenon. Light is a form of energy, it is a form of energy. Critical angle is nothing but some angle of incidence. Total internal reflection is nothing but a phenomenon. It is a phenomenon. Okay, now like that you first analyze that within one sentence. You have to represent it within one sentence. So like that, total internal reflection. For that total internal reflection, so you are very interested about this concept. That is, when a light ray passing through the denser medium to the rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. If it is increasing at a particular angle of incidence, so the light ray grazes along the interface. This is the critical angle. So the phenomena what now we are discussing, total internal reflection is nothing but bouncing back of light ray to the same medium, means denser medium. Bouncing back of light ray to the same medium means denser medium. When it increases, I is greater than C is the condition to get the total internal reflection. I is greater than C. When this is nothing but I, when it exceeds 1 or 2 more degrees than the angle of incidence, that is critical angle. So instead of moving to the rarer medium from the denser medium, the light ray bounces back to the same medium. That is nothing but the phenomena. So this is nothing but the phenomena. What is that phenomena? The phenomena of bouncing back of light ray into when it is greater than the critical angle, it is going back to the same medium. It never enters to the rarer medium. That is the total internal reflection. So now you are coming to the mirage. Within one sentence, what is the mirage? Within one sentence, what is the mirage? What is this? It is also a phenomenon, and moreover, within one sentence, it is an optical illusion. What is this? What is mirage?
Optical illusion.
To explain this one also, I will come to a diagram. That is nothing like that. This is interface. This is normal drawn. From one medium to another medium, when the light ray moving, either it may be bends towards the normal or moves away from the normal. Okay. So to explain this mirage is an optical illusion where at a distant place the water has collected. In midsummer days, when you are traveling on the road, you will find out some water at a distant place. Can you move there? you won't find out any water. So that phenomena is nothing but mirage. It is an optical illusion. It is illusion. Illusion means what? Brahma. Brahma. There is no that water, but it appears collected some water there. When you move there, there is no water. You can find out. So that is our optical illusion, mirage. So to form this mirage, it is also needed two medium to understand. Two medium to understand. So if you go to the topic in midsummer days, the road is very hot, and which is the layer of the air nearer to the road is also very hot. When you move up the layers, the altitudes layers are cool actually. Okay now. So this is you say road. The nearer portion of the air, you say this is an about 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters or 5 centimeters or 150 centimeters. You say whatever may be the number. The second layer, if you are considering, should be more altitude than this one, and some 50 centimeters. We say these are the two layers. Two layers. This is the hot layer of air. This is the cold layer of air. Listen. So all this is one medium. All this is one medium actually, but now we are going to assume this as two mediums, hot layer and cold layer. Actually, yeah, it is same. Nearer to the road, the layer is very hot. When you move altitudes, so that it is comparatively cool. So that these are the two mediums. So when the light passes from the sun to the earth, so it should be traveled from these two mediums and reaches the ground. Actually, we have to say. But whereas when the light ray coming from the higher altitudes, it enters to the. So one thing we have to understand here. So it is hot layer. You make it is one medium, like denser medium or rarer medium. It is rarer medium because its density is less. Its density is less. Hot air's density is comparatively lesser than the cold air. Its density is more. So that its refractive index is different from this cold layer's refractive index. Okay. So refractive index is lesser here, refractive index is more here. So this is denser medium, this is rarer medium. When the light ray enters from denser medium to rarer medium, what is the phenomena occupies there?
Moves away from
okay, it moves away from the normal. But in total internal reflection, what we have learned in total internal reflection, what we have learned?
bouncing backwards.
When the light ray enters from denser medium to rarer medium, at a particular angle of incidence, that is critical angle, the light ray grazes the interface. But when it exceeds the critical angle, it bounces back to the same medium. It never enters to the rarer medium. So when you come to that point, the light ray moves from rarer denser medium when it moves to the rarer medium. In between that, it moves to the same medium. So cold layer is nothing but a denser medium. It moves to the same medium. So that phenomena is nothing but a total internal reflection. So this total internal reflection takes place. So the diagram for the mirage is, you say this is the road. You are coming on the road like this. There is a tree. You say there is a tree like this on the ground. So the light rays are coming from the tree and enters to the denser medium and moves back to the same denser medium and reaches the eyes of our man who is observing this one. And he understood such that these light rays are coming from the tree which is inverted. Directly these light rays are coming from this tree or the sky, the shadow of the sky, you can say. Actually the shadow of the sky is nothing but that mirage, that water appears like the water. So when you move here, there is no water, you can find out. This is the